Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography, and what is our topic today? Our most important topic arrive here are branches of geography. There is the most important here. A variable phenomena on the earth as a surface can be as a treated is a separate list are in the association. They are classified and categorized into the physical phenomenon and there is human phenomenon. There is geography has a three main branches of physical. There is a geography and human geography and the regional geography. There is the most important. The geography has a three branch only. There is a physical geography, human geography, and regional geography. There is the most important, and there is a further divide to the other category. See this diagram. Flow chart is a show in the geography is the branches. There is the most important geography branches. There are three types only: the physical geography, human geography, and regional geography. There is a first come to physical geography here, or the astronomical geography, the geomorphology, and the climatology, oceanographics, and soil geography, and social is a graphics. And the other is the biogeography is a divided here, a plant flora and zoo are fauna and the human ecology. There is the most important divided here of physical geography, and the next here is a human, but I discuss on next, but other is a regional geography is a macro region and the meso regions and the macro region. There is the most important regional geography is divided by three types here, and the next here the human geography. See the the human geography is a further divided here. Anthropology is a culture geography and population, and here economics, political, historical, social, and settlement. But the here of population is the two types divided: the rural and urban, and the economical here are agriculture and industry and trade and transport, and settlement also is a rural and urban. There is the most important branches of geography. There is the most important for the exam view. There is a physical first is a physical geography is important. The physical geography is the concept with the study of the explanations of physically phenomena encompassing their other such a field like geology, meteorology, zoology, and chemistry. It has become a very popular subject during to the later part of the 19th century. It has a number of sub branches which is a treat different kind of physical phenomenon. There is a first astronomical geography. It is studied there is settles phenomenon which is a concern in the earth's surface, a particular sun, moon, and planet of the solar system. The next area is geomorphology. It is a concern with their study of the landform on the earth's surface. It is include the original and development of landform through the erosion, transportational, and the depositional process of water, winds, and glacier. There is the most important for the geomorphology. And the next is the climatology. There is the most important. Climatology is the study of the atmospheric conditions and related to the climate and the weather phenomenon. It includes the study of the atmospheric composition, climatic regions, and season, etc. There is the most important, and the important also is the oceans graphing. There it is a concern with their study of various type of oceans, formulate a component and process related to the ocean floor depth and current is the coral and reef and the continental draft, etc. The next area is soil geography. There is the most important. It is the studies of various soil forming a process. There is a physical, chemicals, and biologically constituent. There are color and types, texture, and there are distribution of the carrying capacity, etc. There is the most important. The next area biogeography. It is the considered with the biological phenomenon is a space, especially in the term of distribution of various kind of flora and fauna species, and the geographical may be subdivided into plant and flora geographies, and the animal and fauna is a geography and human ecology. There is the most important here. The next area is the human geography. There is the most important B part. The human geography is the systematic study of the relationship between human society and the earth's surface. It is made up to the three closely linked as a component: the spatial analysis of the human population, the ecological analysis of the relation between the human population, and it is the environmental and regional synthesis which is the combine the first two themes in the areas differentiation of the earth surface. The human geography has been number of sub-branches here, and the first here anthropology. There it is a largely deal with the terrestrial phenomena in there is a spatial context. And the next year cultural geographies. It is a focus on the origin component and there is impact of the human culture and the both materials and the non-material here. And the next year economical geographies, it is referred to the study of location and distribution of economical activity at the local, regional, national and world scale. Economical geography can be studies under the flowing head. The resource geographies, agricultural geography and industry and transport geography. There's a most important. The next year political geography, there is the most important here. It is a study of the political phenomenon in there is a spectrum of contents. The main focus remains to the creations and transformation of the political and administrative reason. There is the most important. And the next year, historical geography is a pattern and the temporal strength of geographical phenomena are studied in the historical geography. And the next year, social geography, it is analysis of a social phenomenon in space. The poverty, health, education, livelihoods, and some important field of study in a social geography. The next year, the population geography, it is the study of the various dimensions of population link. It is the population distribution, density, composition, fertility, mortality, migration, etc. And the next is settlement geography. It is the study of rural, urban settlement and their size, distribution, function, hierarchies and other various other parameters of settlement as system. That is the most important. And the last year regional geography is a separate such as the nation of four regional. There is geographically a characterized and the process of change constitute and regional geography. Here the study of the main point of geography has the three main branches of physical, human and regional. That is the most important here. The physical geography deal with the nature of is a physical phenomenon such as the climatology, soil and the vegetation. There is the most important physical and the human geographies deal with the relationship between two human society and their earth surface. There is a very short point. And geography as an interdisciplinary subject. There is a regional geography. The geography is as an interdisciplinary object. There is a very short point on the exam view.